Factorization. In this module, you will learn prime factorization. We need to arrange all the chairs for all the 24 participants here. Kids, please arrange all the chairs properly.
Let's arrange these chairs in 2 rows so that 12 participants can sit in each row. It will leave more space in front and we can do other activities there too. No, arrange them in 3 rows so that 8 participants can sit in each row. It will leave good space on the right side for other activities. I feel we should arrange them in 4 rows so that 6 participants can sit in each row. It will let the participants sit comfortably. We can arrange chairs in 1 row so that there will be 24 participants in a line. No, Sid, that will be inconvenient for the participants. It will also waste the area of the stage. What about if we make 12 rows such that 2 participants sit in each row? That's not possible. There is no space for 12 rows here. We can't make more than 4 rows here.
Here, you have seen kids find all the factors of 24 to arrange the chairs. Let's see all the factors of 24. 24 has only 2 prime factors, that are 2 and 3. Prime factors are the numbers that are prime and that divide a particular number completely. Let's divide 24 with the smallest prime number. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. As 2 is a prime number, so 2 can't be divided further. Carrying on with 12. 2 is the smallest prime number that divides 12 completely. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Again, 2 cannot be divided further, so carrying on with 6. Again, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Method of factorizing a number using its prime factors is known as prime factorization. Prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Let's recap. Prime factors are the numbers that are prime and that divide a particular number completely. Method of factorizing a number using its prime factors is known as prime factorization. Prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3.